Hello! Wanted to have a quick look at the Victorinox Farmer X, a really sturdy and durable knife with these beautiful aluminium oxide, hence Alox or Alox scales. Looks and feels amazing and is much more durable than the typical red Celidor plastic scaled models. Slightly bigger too, at 93mm length versus the 91mm length of the red handled standard plastic scaled models. You get the large main blade, which as you can see is wider, slightly longer and slightly thicker on the Alox Farmer than it is on this. This one's a camper model, so better suited to slightly more harder duty tasks. You get an absolutely excellent inline awl or reamer on the Farmer X. As it's inline, it's really good for making holes. General proddy, scrapey, secondary blade type of tool. Some people use it as a box opener so you don't get gunk on your main blade. Definitely better in use than the backside awl on other models. Also makes an excellent ferro rod striker. On the Farmer X you also get a pair of the fantastic, best on any multi-tool in my opinion, scissors. These can come in so handy and it's really good to have a pair on this model. In the Farmer X, the X always denotes the scissors. On the Farmer X you also get a saw. This is exactly the same as a saw on the 91mm red handled models. Surprisingly capable for the size. These can rip through kind of wrist thickness branches, no problem. It can be dead useful if you're doing stuff out in nature. I know some folks use these for cutting through plasterboard and stuff as well. Cool. You also get the can opener tool with a small slide screwdriver on the end there, which is really effective on some Phillips screws as well. I've never found myself really lacking for turning Phillips screws with one of these when I'm carrying a model that doesn't have the backside Phillips screwdriver. This tool is slightly thicker than on the 91mm models, thus giving it a bit more sturdiness in use. Pretty effective as a can opener as well. Then on the other side you get the cap lifter tool with the large slotted screwdriver on the end. As you can see, it's significantly bigger and thicker on the Farmer X there, and that combined with the rigidity of the aluminium scales and the riveting makes this a much sturdier kind of pry tool, which is really excellent to have in a knife that you might want to put through some harder work. Really good to have this chunky tool on there, love that. And that's it, you don't get any of the backside tools, you don't get slots for the toothpick, pen or tweezers. Weight wise we'll call it 110 grams Visa. Camper model here, which is 77 grams. Is this all the tools you need and none you don't? Or would you always pick something like this that does have the backside tools and the scale tools and weighs a bit less? I think this is an excellent choice as an outdoor knife that you might actually want to put through some harder work, and it just looks and feels absolutely wonderful in the hand. But what do you reckon? Any other fans of this one? It's a beauty. Thanks for watching the vid and take care out there you guys. Adios.